Hey my tinies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10", and on a good day I am 4'11", but lately I have been feeling a little bit on the shorter side. Yes guys. Well, as you guys can see, I do not have any makeup on. I am in just prepped my face and that is all. Today's video is actually going to be on this LA Girl brow. I actually purchased it at the dollar store, so of course this is a $2 find or whatever, but we're gonna actually give it a shot and see how I like this product. And I have not actually tried this product out. This will be a first impression pretty much. Now this brush is actually, it says it is cruelty free and vegan free, so which is pretty cool because I try to stay away from products that test on animals. I try, guys. I'm not saying that I do completely, but I do try, just because I hate when animals are being tested on and stuff like that. So I do try my best. And so this one is in the shade deep brown. This was the darkest shade that they had, so let's see if it works. As you can see, it's reminds me a lot like the Elf package, and I mean, it's cute, but we'll test the product out, right? Oh, and it does come kind of closed in, which is actually pretty neat. Not a lot of products have that. This is looking a little too brown for my liking, but I guess we will try it out. Yikes. This is how the brush looks. It's got a spoolie at the end and the little brush on the top. It's not as thin as I like them, but I guess we will see. So the product is actually, I mixed it in, and it looks pretty deep, guys. Like it's so smooth. I feel like it's pretty smooth. I don't know about this brush though. Okay, so the product is very smooth, but this brush is very, very like thick, like really hard. I don't think I'm gonna use this. So this is a no for me. Off the bat, no. I'm gonna use this right here. This I actually got from Aliexpress. I believe it was like $1.50, so we'll kind of keep it in the same range, I guess. Okay, so far so good. It is very smooth, guys. Very smooth. So that's how this one looks without, you know, cleaning it up or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one as well. All right, so that's how that looks. I am gonna cleaning up off camera. All right, my tinies, so I am back and this is how they look after I cleaned them up. So can you tell? I really like it. I like this product right here. This one is amazing. I absolutely love it. Super creamy. In the beginning, I don't know if you guys saw it, it looked kind of like a different shade, but it is amazing. I, however, do not like this. This brush is like it's too hard, too rough on your skin right here, so I will not be using this one, but I will be using this one for sure. So with that being said, this product is amazing for $1 and from the dollar store. I mean, come on, why not? I do recommend it. Just be careful with like what they have, like the shades and stuff. So yeah.